హాయ్ హలో వెల్కమ్ టు భువికా స్టడీస్. మనం వచ్చేసి ఈరోజు ఈ వీడియోలో జనరల్ సైన్స్కి సంబంధించి మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ 100 క్వశ్చన్స్ అనేది చూడడం జరుగుతుంది. సో ఈ వీడియోని ఎండ్ వరకు చూడండి, ఎక్కడ స్కిప్ చేయకండి. వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ వీడియో ఇది. సో ఇంపార్టెంట్ అనౌన్స్మెంట్, మనం రెగ్యులర్గా మార్నింగ్ 10 o'clockకి జీకే, ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ 2 o'clockకి జనరల్ సైన్స్, వీక్లీ వన్స్ సండే వచ్చేసి మనం 10 o'clockకి కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్ అనేది మనం అప్లోడ్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. సో ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. ఎవరైనా కానీ ఇప్పటి వరకు టెస్ట్ సిరీస్ని బై చేయకపోయింటే ప్లీజ్ బై చేయండి. మనకు టెక్స్ట్ బుక్లో వచ్చేసి 399 రూపీస్కి ఆల్ కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్కి సంబంధించిన టెస్ట్ సిరీస్ అనేది ఇవ్వడం జరుగుతుంది. సో మీరు గ్రూప్ డీకి సంబంధించి మీరు ప్రీవియస్ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్స్ కోసం ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళక్కర్లేదు. జస్ట్ మీరు దీనిలో పాస్ జాయిన్ అయితే చాలు. మీకు ప్రీవియస్ ఇయర్స్కి సంబంధించిన క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్తో పాటు మీరు కొత్తగా ఫుల్ లెంత్ మాక్ టెస్ట్ కూడా వాళ్ళు ప్రొవైడ్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. సో చాలా యూస్ఫుల్ అవుతుంది ఎగ్జామ్ క్రాక్ చేయడానికి. సో మనకి తెలుగు, హిందీ, ఇంగ్లీష్, బెంగాలీ, తమిళ్, కన్నడ అన్ని లాంగ్వేజెస్లో వాళ్ళు టెస్ట్ సిరీస్లు అనేది ప్రొవైడ్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. సో వాళ్ళు మనకు తెలుగులోనే వాళ్ళు మనకి సొల్యూషన్స్ కూడా ఇవ్వడం జరుగుతుంది. సో లింక్ అనేది కింద డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో ఉంది. మీరు ఆ లింక్ ద్వారా కానీ మీరు జాయిన్ అయితే మీకు 30% డిస్కౌంట్ అనేది రావడం జరుగుతుంది. సో తొందరగా బై చేయండి. సో ఈ వీడియోలో మనం మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ 100 క్వశ్చన్స్ జనరల్ సైన్స్ సంబంధించి మనం చూడడం జరుగుతుంది. సో వీడియోని ఎండ్ వరకు చూడండి, ఎక్కడ స్కిప్ చేయకండి. ఎవరైనా కానీ మన ఛానల్ని మొదటిసారి విజిట్ చేస్తుంటే ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. పక్కన బెల్ ఐకాన్ క్లిక్ చేసి ఆల్ నోటిఫికేషన్ ఆన్ చేసుకోండి. మేము పెట్టబోయే ప్రతి వీడియో మీకు నోటిఫికేషన్ రూపంలో రావడం జరుగుతుంది. అలాగే కింద డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో వచ్చేసి టెలిగ్రామ్ గ్రూప్ లింక్ ఉంది, ఆ గ్రూప్లో కూడా జాయిన్ అవ్వండి. ఓకే.
Hello students, welcome to YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to discuss all the important questions from general science that you can definitely expect in exam like SSC as well as railway exam. Okay, so let's begin this session. So the first question is, who is known as the father of medicine? And it is Hippocrates. The density of water is maximum at 4 degrees Celsius. The heat from the sun come to the earth by the process of radiation. Echo is heard due to the process called reflection. Alternating current is converted into direct current by rectifier. The force by which a body is attracted toward the center of earth is called gravitational force. The minimum distance required to hear an echo is 17 meters. What is the best conductor of electricity? And it is silver. The tidal wave on sea is mainly due to the presence of gravitational effect of moon on earth. The SI unit of power of lens is diopter. The least distance of distinct vision for human eye is 25 centimeter. The boiling point in Kelvin scale is 373 Kelvin. The Pascal is the SI unit of pressure. A radioactive element emits rays like alpha, beta and gamma rays. Which has the longest wavelength in an electromagnetic spectrum? And it is radio waves. The upward force of a floating body is called buoyant force, also called buoyancy. The Raman effect is related to scattering of light. The hydraulic brakes used in a vehicle works on the principle of Pascal's law. The purest form of iron is wrought iron. The element with the lowest ionization potential is cesium. Which element is present in all acids? And it is hydrogen. The pH factor is used to measure the acidity of a liquid. Which element is also called philosopher's wool? And it is zinc oxide. Which metal is extracted from sea water? And it is magnesium. White phosphorus is always kept under water because it is highly reactive element. Dry ice is also called solid carbon dioxide. Which of the following is widely used as a solid lubricant? And it is graphite. What is the major constituent of a petrol? And it is octane. The commonly used washing soda is sodium carbonate. The sound wave in the audible range have frequencies in the range of 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. Which of the following is responsible for greenhouse effect? And it is carbon dioxide. The lightest element of a periodic table is hydrogen. Aqua regia is a mixture of hydrochloric acid and nitric acid. The permanent hardness of water is due to the presence of sulfite of calcium and magnesium. The element which shows properties of both metals and non-metal is called metalloids. The most ductile element is gold. Which of the two metals are mixed in the manufacturing of a stainless steel? And it is chromium and iron. The most abundant metal in earth crust is aluminium. Hydrochloric acid is also called muriatic acid. Which element is also called quicksilver, and it is mercury. The acid present in vinegar is acetic acid. The percentage of oxygen by volume in the atmosphere is 21%. Laughing gas is also called nitrous oxide. How many groups are present in periodic table? And it is 18 groups. The heaviest naturally occurring element in periodic table is uranium. What is used for the manufacturing of fertilizer? And it is potassium. The chemical name of milk of magnesia is magnesium hydrochloride. The most abundant inert gas in atmosphere is argon. The detergent used for cleaning clothes and utensils contain sulfonates. Vulcanization of rubber is carried out using adding sulfur. The chemical name of bleaching powder is calcium hypochlorite. As the train approaches us, the frequency and shrillness of the whistle increases. This phenomenon is called Doppler effect. The largest internal organ in human body is liver. Contact lenses are made from leucite. Which gland is both exocrine and endocrine gland? And it is pancreas. A person feels fatigue due to deposition of which acid in their muscle? And it is lactic acid. The ultrafiltration unit of kidney is known as nephron. The main constituent of hemoglobin is iron. BCG vaccine is injected to get immunity from tuberculosis. The vitamin which is most readily manufactured in our body is vitamin D. The pungent smell of garlic is due to the presence of a sulfur compound. Which gland in human body maintains body temperature? And it is hypothalamus. Human cell have how many pairs of chromosome? And it is 23 pairs. The normal blood pressure of human is 180 by 20 mm Hg. Our bone and teeth are generally made of tricalcium phosphate. Which element increases the absorption of water and calcium in plant? And it is boron. What is the use of monocytes in our body? And it increases the immunity in our body. The enzyme present in saliva of human is amylase. The first successfully cloned animal is sheep. Goiter is caused due to the deficiency of iodine in our body. Bowman capsule is present in kidney. Which vitamin is water soluble? And it is vitamin B. The study of blood is called hematology. Which part of cell is called the powerhouse of the cell? And it is mitochondria. The mineral which help in absorption of oxygen in blood is iron. The other name of WBC, also called white blood cell, is leukocytes. Which vitamin is considered to be a hormone? And it is vitamin D. The scientific name of vitamin A is retinol. The internal secretion of which acid help in digestion? And it is hydrochloric acid. The smallest and functional unit of nervous system is neurons. Which hormone is also called emergency hormone? And it is adrenaline. The sweetest sugar is fructose. Where are the red blood cells formed? And it is formed in bone marrow. Which test help in the diagnosis of cancer? And it is biopsy test. The important metal used with iron to make it rust free is chromium. The number of chambers in human heart is 4. The Earth's escape velocity is 11.2 km per second. The constituents of atomic nucleus are proton and neutrons. Which substance is used in preservation of foodstuff? And it is sodium benzoate. The connective tissue that connects a muscle to a bone is tendon. The non-stick kitchenwares are coated with Teflon. The hemoglobin present in our blood is protein. The pH of human blood is 7.4. The study of flower is also called anthology. The red color of tomato is due to the presence of lycopene. What is milk of magnesia chemically called? And it is called magnesium hydrochloride. The element present in largest amount in rocks and minerals is silicon. The alloy used in making heating elements of electric heating devices is nichrome. Balloons are filled with helium. The gas used to extinguish fire is carbon dioxide. So thank you for watching this video, and if you found this video useful, do subscribe to our YouTube channel.